He was using that paper bag as a bed earlier. Garlic. Garlic. Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? Garlic. Hmm. 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 Super small. Super small. Garlic. How cute. Are you sad? Why are you sad? Garlic. Stop the hand thing. Bye bye.